One man made a small farm game and sold 30 million copies. A tiny team make a Viking game and earn $5 million every day while the game was still unfinished. Stay with me. I will show you how they did it, so you can do it too. Hi, I am Rafał. Welcome to CodePlanStudio. In the next few minutes, I will share 7 true marketing ideas from real indie games. I will tell you what they did, why it worked, and how you can copy the idea without spending much money. Stardew Valley was made by one person, Alec Baron. For 4 years, he showed everything online. Pictures of new crops, lists of bugs, even days he felt tired. Fans watched him grow and felt like a part of the farm. Why this worked? People love stories. They follow the game like a TV show. They gave idea and bug report for free. When launch day came, they were ready to buy and tell friends. Your move. Take one screenshot every day and post it on Twitter or Discord. Write a short notes. For example, today I fixed a crash, tomorrow I add new sword. Thank people by name when they help. They will remember. Among Us came out in 2018, but almost nobody played. In 2020, a Twitch streamer called Soda Poppin showed the game to thousands of viewers. They laughed, clipped the funny kills, and other streamers joined. Why this worked? The game is simple to watch and understand. Big emotion, betrayed surprise, and great shot creeps. Streamers love games that fill lobbies fast and create fun moments. Your move. Give the small streamer free key before launch. Add an invite code button so they will fill a lobby in seconds. Let spectator join an audience or ghosts, so streamer never stop. Valheim, released unfinished but sold 5 million copies in 30 days. It worked because the early build was stable, fun, and had no NDA. People could show whatever they want. Why this worked? Because players felt like pioneers in living world. Bugs were very small, so streams looks good. Weekly patches notes keep them hype alive. Your move? Delay early access until the game runs at least 60 frames per second on mid-range PC. Post a public roadmap with 3 clear goals. After each patch, tweet. For example, fixes, new shield, you can fight the wolves now. Hades surprised everyone by launching a first build during the Game Awards. Then Supergiant released a named update every month. Blood Price, the Fated List, and so on. Why this worked? Every patch felt like a small party. Press and YouTubers got new content to cover each month. Player came back, played more, and told friends. Your move? Give your patch name. For example, Fire Friday, Spellbook Sunday. Make a 30-second trailer for each patch. Add developer notes. We listen, we balance the both. Enjoy. Another game, Vampire Survivor. Looks simple, but TikTok made it huge. The dev posted a 15 seconds video every day. Tiny start, crazy action finish. Why this worked? Short videos finish before viewers swipe. Fast grow in each clip make people watch again. Fans copied the format, adding free reach. Your move. Capture one crazy moment each night. Add big text, day 12, garlic power up. Ask, Show me your best run. Do at this. Hollow Knight. Asked for money on Kickstarter, but got something better. Big publicity. They showed playable demo and handed drawn GIFs. Why this worked? Journalists like demos they can test, not just read. Backers become superfans and shared updates. Stretch goals were small, so team keep promises. Your move? Release a demo that is 5 minutes and polished. Post a gift in every campaign update. Keep goals realistic. Every frame of Cuphead looks like 1930 cartoon. Magazines and blogs shared screenshot years before release. Why this worked? Unique art is easy to recognize in a busy feed. Handed drawn process, video amazed artists and players. Visual hook needed no words, crossing language barrier. Your move. Pick one wow element, art style, physics tricks or music. Show a split screen, rough sketch, final frame. Put that element in every trailer, tweet and story and store banner. 3 quick lessons we can learn from all of those examples. The first, be open. People like honest developers. Second, give fans and streamers fun moments they can share. And third, give your community a name, so they can feel like a team. Which idea fits your game today? Tell me in the comments. If you learned something, please like the video so more indie devs can see it. This is CodePlanStudio. Keep coding, keep dreaming, and I will see you in the next sprint.